with another video. And in this video, we are live again with number one capital management. He's going to be here in just a few moments. We just sat through a whole hour of Zoom. And then when I went to download the video, it wouldn't download. So we're going to shoot it live, no interruptions. As soon as he gets here, we can get started. Let me introduce what's going on. Right now, we have been testing the copy trading platforms with Duplexum, but Duplexum is a little bit expensive, and number one capital management has now made an agreement with Metacopier to be their host. So now when you go to number one capital management, you open an account. You can go, Mr. Sam said, within 20 minutes, have your account set up with the CopyTrader, and you'll be copying the trades that the moving average grid bot trades. Now, for transparency, I average about 2 to 5% a week using my moving average grid bot. I made this bot. I also have a MACD grid bot. Both of them work extremely well. They were on sale for $30. Now they're $130. Or you can subscribe to the CSI Copy Trader, and you will get them for $28 is what we came up with. $8 for the CopyTrader platform, $20 for the subscription to the signals a month. And for $28, you get the same signals. And I've been using this bot now for about 10 months. And some weeks it's 9%, some weeks it's 2%, sometimes it's 5%. But on average, I can count on increasing my portfolio 2 to 5% a week, people. Now, I could get there faster trading gold, and that's exactly what happened. I got the shiny object syndrome, and I ran over there and started scalping gold, and I was knocking their behind off. All right. Then I took a nap. And when I took a nap, if the Lord hadn't woke me up when he did, and I looked at that screen, they was in the middle of that 35% push down that happened, and it almost blew my account. But I have a hedge strategy that it's an emergency cord that if something goes wrong like that, because I know how these market makers are, and I'm prepared for it, I froze the drawdown and I froze the free margin to where silver moving up or down is now irrelevant to me. It's on pause until I move forward in that trade. Now, you don't get them trades. Those are very, very risky trades, all right? With the way that gold and silver has been moving, I seen that I just need to back up and let the market makers do what they're going to do. And when they finish, I'll finish them gold trades out. But I turned the moving average grid bot on, and let's just take, I can't do that because it is so, some people's account numbers, and I can't show y'all the results on screen here. If I would have had the recording, I could have blurred it out. But one person, just let me take a look real quick, is up 5.65% this week. And what's today? I don't even know. I get so confused. Wednesday. You still got 2 more days of trading. This account is $1,060, and it's up 2.4% on Wednesday already. Now, I know y'all couldn't see that, and I had to read it to y'all, but I could post a screenshot of it in Discord and show y'all. Mr. Hubbard's doing real good with over 5% already this week. And it's very simple. You email Sam at SAMS at capital, let me think. Sam's at, how about I just go over here and get it for y'all real quick. Oops. One second, people. Let me get y'all his email address. Because when you email him, and either you'll have a phone call or something with him, a Zoom meeting or something that will get you set up in 20 minutes. And within 20 minutes, the very next trade that I make with the bot, you'll be making as well. I mean, there's no holding time. As long as I'm not trading gold, that's not a problem. But if the bot's trading, it's pretty much over with pretty soon. I know I'm viewing older messages. I'm looking for his email address. Lord have mercy. Sam, help me out. I need your email address, old boy. Nope, it's got to be higher than that. Y'all excuse me. I should have been ready. We were just so excited because today's the first day. Of their copy trader. There it is. Now, where's my chat? That's Sam's email address at Number One Capital. He said, if you want to follow the CSI Copy Trades, then get in touch with him, email him. He'll get on the phone with you, WhatsApp with you, or whatever y'all going to use to communicate. And he's going to walk you step by step, taking you through the risk management, your personal goals, and all of that to get your copy trader set up just right for you. All right. He was supposed to be showing up, but I mean, we had him for an hour and I blew that live stream. So what's going on? I see you. Where y'all at? Y'all better hit that like button. I can tell if y'all 5 people watching. I'm fixing to see if y'all hit that like button. I want to show y'all some results. Uh-oh. I'm trying to figure out how I can show y'all. Somebody's here. Sam's here.
Hello.
Sam, I have been looking for your email address for 3 minutes.
I was in your live stream. I was waiting. So,
all right.
yes.
I'm sorry we have to redo this. We were recording it Zoom. Zoom wouldn't convert it to video. So we're just going to do it real quick, people, probably under 15 minutes so that y'all can understand what's going on and what to expect if you're going to be a part of the CSI Copy Trading family.
So, you start, CSI.
Okay. The first thing you need is a broker that does not enforce the first in, first out rule. If you have an American broker, Fidelity, Forex, or any of them other brokers, they have a first in, first out rule. If you have those brokers and you're under that rule, this won't work for you. But it's very simple. That's why I have Sam here. Sam's with Number One Capital. Now, what happened was I took a prop firm challenge, and they didn't have any rules. I could hedge, and I could take no first in, first out rules. No, and I'm going, I need a broker like this. And somebody from the Discord referred me to Sam, and we've been best friends ever since because the more and more I learn about Number One Capital Management, the more on fire I am. I've never seen an American broker, they're UK, by the way, that is so transparent that you don't have a problem with withdrawals and no first in, first out rules. You can hedge, you pattern day trade. It doesn't matter. They don't care. In other words, the gloves are off and you get to trade like the institutions with Number One Capital Management. Now,
Exactly.
you have to have, I suggest you have an account with them. I recommend a $2,000 account if you're going to copy the trades. That gives you the money you need for each chart to transact and you be good with free margin. Plus, if you sign up now, they wasn't going to run the special for, I think, another week and a half, 2 weeks. But if you sign up with the CSI Copy Trader, you get the bonus now. So you want to tell them about the
Exactly.
bonus real quick, Sam?
Yes, as you are aware, and we are going to share the bonus structure. They will be able on their deposit because as we are close to our Valentine, so there's a gift to the lovers of the market. So it's going to be a floating bonus up to 100% floating bonus on their deposit. So it's going to be a great. It can help them on their equity, their margin, and on their risk. It's tradable but not withdrawable. It's not just giving them empty margin. It can help them while they are going to draw down. So they will have free margin to recover it. So it's gonna act like a second chance. Let me tell you like this. You with me, CSI? I guess CSI's connection got disrupted, so I will continue. How's everything working? This is a floating bonus that CSI will mention the bonus structure as well. The other thing that we will be able to provide for everyone is about the copy trading. The copy trading system, it's going to be really easy. I guess that CSI mentioned it takes at most 20 minutes to make their account with N1CM and make their account with Metacopier. So everything will be completely great. The other thing is
Now,
they will have a
well,
one-on-one.
let me interject something here.
Yes,
Let me interject something here about the bonus. When you sign up, make sure he's going to remember, but you just remind him what's going on is you start with, say, a 2,000. You can start with 1,000. That's what I'm using right now and going to build it up. But if you start with 2,000, then you get 1,000 extra free margin. And that gives you a bigger buffer. So in case one of these market makers like JP Morgan and them pull their shit off and does that again, you got extra buffer. That's what this bonus
exactly.
deposit is.
Exactly. The other thing is the Metacopier is going to be cooperating with us. So we will see a good cooperation between N1CM and Metacopier, and everything will be much better. And about their making their account, it's going to be really easy. Like what? Um, as I will personally talk to them about all the steps, even their goals, even their targets, if they want to increase their risk management, if they want to decrease their risk, or anything like that. I will help them personally to achieve their points, achieve their goals as they want. Thank you for this,
Now,
CSI. This is the bonus structure, which, as I mentioned, up to 100% floating bonus.
so if you started with $5,000, then normally you have 5,000 in equity, 5,000 in free margin until you make a trade. Then once you make a trade, your free margin drops a little bit and your equity drops a little bit. And the thing is, it's all a game. If your free margin goes to zero, it's game over. And what the bonus is it adds to your free margin, not your bonus that you can balance where you can go withdraw it. It's a bonus to your free margin to help you. So if you put $5,000 in there, you'd have 5,000 balance, 10,000 equity, and 10,000 free margin to get
Exactly.
started.
Exactly. So this is a good way to start. This is a good buffer to start, and they will be able to start with a higher amount and with a much more open hands. So the risk will be deducted as well. The risk will be much less, because and the return on investment, let's say like that, if they increase the risk, if they like gain like 2000, they are using, for example, let's say like they are using like 20% of their equity, 20% of their free margin, and they are making 2000, which depend on the free margin, it's going to be 20% return on investment, but depend on their investment, which is 5000, it's going to be 40% return on investment.
That's right. That's right. Now, with these extra free margin, I look at it whenever I get a bonus, when I make a deposit, because I'm always trying to grow my account. Uh, I get the credit, goes to my free margin, but I don't count it. I still look at my account as if, no, I don't have no extra free credit. In case something happens, that's there to protect me. And it was there to protect me when that 35% fell, because I was getting into that free margin credit that they give me because I had such a small account and it was eating me alive. If it hadn't have been for that free margin bonus, they would have won. Just put it like that.
The good part is we are here to help everyone, and we are able to see all the things and plan for every single thing.
Now let's talk about the price, because we have a couple of people over at Duplicum, because I wanted to start copy trading and somebody referred me to Duplicum first. And then when I got with Sam in number one capital markets number one capital market management, he told me they was fixing to start copy trading, that they had a contract with a copy trader to where they take care of everything and all in one place. You talk to Sam, 20 minutes later, you're copying the trades. And
Exactly.
that convenience alone is enough to switch over here to the metacopier.
Exactly. It takes at most 20 minutes, and the rest will be the easiest part, which is as soon as they contact me, you pin my email. They will be able to text me on my email or on WhatsApp, or even call me. Sorry. So we will be able to have them. It's really good for us as well. So after 20 minutes, on their own and on their, let's say, like customizable targets, they will reach the point that they want.
That's right. Um, I love this. I set up the metacopier with the moving average grid bot as the master, and I set up my Forex account as a slave to it. And within a few minutes, it made a trade with the Euro USD. And I was watching my other computer and I can't figure out. I'm going, I don't have a chart open. How did that trade happen? But then I thought, let me go look at the copy trader. And sure enough, when it made it in my number one capital management account, it copied over to my Forex account.
That's the
But
easiest part.
I won't be able to get out of one trade quicker than the other because I'm over here in Forex, which this was just a test to see if it would copy. You're bound by the first in, first out rule. But I was just if it would copy.
That's it. That's all the things that they need is just email me, and the rest I will handle them. And if they think that they will be aligned, of course they will be aligned, but not just me. My assistants will work here as well, and we will be able to help them everything, all the things, with all the necessary things. guide them towards making their account, verifying their account, activating their account, and connecting to the metacopier.
Everybody that watches my videos know me. I believe in the KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible for me. And if I can understand it, I can teach anybody how to do it. And in this particular case, this is all you have to do, people, is email Sam, tell him you're interested, tell him CSI sent you so you can get the bonus, because they don't start that for another week and a half.
Exactly.
He's giving it to you special now. And then within 20 minutes, you will be up, and all you have to do is look at your computer screen to see what your balance is. That's it. No more optimizations. I do the optimizations. Me and David's already talking. He's going to do a live stream with me where we do optimizations and talk about the results and what numbers I'll be putting in the bot that week. I'll put moving averages on the chart so you can know in advance how long the bot's got. I mean, this is going to be fun. One more thing we got to talk about, though, and that's the money.
Exactly. So if we want to talk about the price, as you mentioned, it's going to be like you talk about the price, right?
Yes. There's a $8 fee to CopyTrader for using their platform. Correct?
Yes. Yes. 27 cents per day.
69 cents per day.
27
All
cents.
Right. 27 cents a day, $8 a month. Then the CopyTrader signals from the moving average grid bot subscription is 20. So you get the CopyTrader and the signals for $28. Now, if you don't think that's worth it, I just cannot. I can. Watch this. Let me get my history. Now, share the MetaTrader. Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay. This is just since Tuesday when I turned the bot on. Okay. $1.68 trade, $4 trade, 57 cents down because I seen that it was fixing to go the wrong way. So I X'd out the play. 165, 208, all the way down. Then I got in there and I got these gold trades done and pulled a little bit ahead on it to where I'm up $1,276 in 3 days. But I just want to show y'all these results. This is using a 0.01 and 0.02 lot size. And you make $21 in a day.
Exactly. So the rest will be their profit, and they are going to make it as well.
That's right. Now, let's talk about that's $28 for the service. And then at the end of the week or at the end of the month?
It's going to be at the end of the month, P&L at the end of the month.
Yes, $28 at the end of the month. So what happens is they keep the trades separate so that they know which one the grid bot made. And if you want to do some on your own, they got a way to know it's a magic number. They know that the bot made that trade.
Exactly.
And those profits go over here. And at the end of the month, I get 10% of that if you're in profit. And I think that counts drawdown too. You have to be out of drawdown, and that's profit. And then I get to share in the profit.
Exactly.
Because it's called a performance fee. I'm performing like the monkey with the man grinding it.
Exactly. It's an easy one. Um, it's easy. Performance fee is the amount of you are giving them profit, and at the end of the one cycle, at the end of the one period, which is 1 month, at the end of the 1 month, your cut will be 10% of the amount of profit, not the balance, not the trades that they did by themselves, but the overall profit that you make
That's
them.
right.
For example, you take the account with 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000, whatever amount. You increase the the cost P&L will be like 1,000 or 1,500. Yours will be 10% of that amount, like 100 or 150
That's right.
out of the profit that you made for the clients.
During the
The
live
client,
stream
mhm,
that didn't record,
yes,
I had showed because I could block out their account numbers, but overall they're up $362 on the week using the bot. Out of that, at
exactly,
the end of the month, minus the drawdowns and stuff, whatever the profit is, in this case, 360 bucks, then I would get 36 of that
exactly. It will
as a performance
automatically
fee.
deducted. It will be automatically deducted from their account, and that's it.
All right. I see a couple questions. $28 for the service. Yes, ma'am. It's or yes, sir. It's going to be $8 to use the copy trader because I even have to pay. And then you pay a $20 subscription fee to receive the signal. Now, they're asking about the price for the deposit, and I put it back up there on the screen again. Just real quick, you want to touch on it?
Yes. So the price of for deposit, it depends on you. There is no limit that you have to start with this amount, but we are going to be honest because transparency is the first rule. So it's better for starting to at least have 2,000. Why I'm telling you 2,000? To have a better amount, to have a better risk management and everything. And this is the structure. This is the bonus structure from $1 up to $15,000. You are able to get different percentage on your deposit as a floating bonus. So, for example, the amount that I told you, if you deposit 2,000, you will get 50% and you will start with 3,000.
3,000 free margin.
Exactly. Free margin and
So
equity.
I'll stress again that what that means is when you start your account, no matter what it's at, if you start it with 2,000, then your equity is 2,000 and your free margin is 2,000. And as the bot begins to trade, your equity and free margin go down. And like I said before, it's all a game. If the free margin goes to zero, you lose. Your number one job is to make sure it doesn't go to zero. um, but when you sign up and you use the bonus that's going on right now with the CSI Copy Trading community, uh, they're letting you take advantage of the bonus now.
Exactly.
So instead of if you open a $2,000 account, you have $4,000 equity and $4,000 free margin. So you have an extra $2,000 or extra $1,000 buffer there in case the market makers pull off some funky shit. You're ready. And the free, I'm telling y'all, the free margin bonus saved me when it fell 35%.
And for sure, we got everyone's back. We are providing all the necessary information for every single one. We have me, myself, we'll have one on one, everything. So everything will be amazing.
It says somebody says starting deposit 2,000. Great. When will this bonus end? Right now, well, she wants to know when it ends. It doesn't start until February 14th for Valentine's Day or something like
Exactly.
that. He's just
Exactly.
letting my viewers and my subscribers get early access to the discount.
And it will be ended in 20th of February.
20th of February will be the end. So you got till from now to the 20th to take care of it.
So my
Said
email,
great. She's in. So she's in or he's in. I can't tell from the name exactly.
mhm.
Uh
My email
Sam's
is at n1cm.com.
at N1CM. Sam's at N1CM.com.
Exactly.
All right, I just put it in the chat for anybody that was interested. I'm telling you, I'm on fire about this. And I can't stress it in all my videos to everybody else, but sometimes we can get off on a sidetrack. And that's exactly what happened with me with gold and silver. When I seen how fast and how much money I was scalping and knocking their tails off, I should have known. Well, I did know that a rug pull was coming. And with the ability to hedge, I could save my account, keep it from
Yes,
going
we are.
bankrupt.
We are able to help everyone. I'm mentioning it a lot because the way that we are, all the brokers, all the institutions, everyone are charging. If they are working legally, they will charge three things: swaps, commission, and spreads. We make it less. Why?
Yep.
Because we have enough clients and we are giving them all the necessary things, and all of their position will send to the LP market makers. So everything will be fixed. There is no limits. There is no limits on buying or opening long position, hedging, anything. First, we don't have any rule of FIFO. We don't have a rule of FIFO. And so this is the thing that I'm able to say. And the other thing, even we are able to provide the necessary things. For example, if they have like, if they want to hedge their positions, there's, as I mentioned, there's no limits. If they want to increase their risk, I will have one-on-one with them, one-on-one session with them. So provide the necessary softs with them to tell them how's everything working, how will everything will be better and will be beneficial for them.
It's really, people, I don't know if I said it in this video, but I started off trading prop firms with a friend of mine, and we hit on a prop firm that didn't have hedging. They didn't enforce the first in, first out rule. They didn't have a pattern day trading rule. And when I passed it with $55,000 in 1 week. Then from there, I said, I've got to find a broker that lets me trade this way. And I reached out to the Discord. The Discord referred me to number one capital management. And ever since I've met them, it's been amazing. It's been
That's my
amazing.
pleasure. It's an honor to have you with us, CSI.
Yes. All right. I've kept Sam long enough. So thankful, Mr. Sam. He
You're
was
really, really
45
welcome.
minutes with us on the first live stream, and he spent another 33 minutes with us right now. All you have to do to become a part of the moving average crossover grid bot signals is email him sams at n1cm.com and tell him CSI sent you. You get the bonus early,
Why not? Why
and
not?
I'll see
We are here.
y'all in the next video.
Take care. Take care, everyone. Thank you, CSI, for having me. Have a lovely day. Take care. Have a blessing day. Bye bye.
Be blessed.